What's up, people? Just got a set of these 4.5-inch 42-watt LED spotlights sent out to me for review. We're going to take a look at these. I'm going to show you what they come with, build quality, and we'll see how bright these things get. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look at these 42-watt LED spotlights. They were sent out to me by a company called Ourbest. You can find them on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description below. These lights claim to be a 42-watt, 4.5-inch fog light. That's what they have them labeled as. Alright, so let's take a look at what comes inside the box. You get your lights, wiring. You don't get a wire harness. And they also send you mounting brackets for them. You get mounting brackets for each light. And basically it just comes with one bracket, a couple bolts, 2 lock washers, and then 2 nuts. If you take a look on Amazon, these lights currently, the reviews, there's 33 reviews, and it's 3.5 out of 5 stars currently. They are LEDs. As you can see, they're 42 watt, and they do have the option of a spot beam or a flood. I chose the spot beam because I'm kind of curious just to see what the distance is with this light. Currently the price point on Amazon for this light is $38.99, and they actually comes in the set. It's not just for one, it's for two. 2 lights, $38.99. Obviously these lights can be mounted on any 12-volt setup. You can mount them on your car, off-road buggy, golf cart, truck, maybe like a forklift, bulldozer, so anything with a 12-volt source. Each light has 14 LEDs built in. The color temperature of the light is 6000 K according to the manufacturer, and the housing is made out of aluminum. As you can see on the back, the fins for cooling, and they're rated to be waterproof and dustproof. Alright, so I'll show you real quick how the brackets mount up. It's pretty simple. One nice little add-on they have is, if you guys can see that, the bolt that goes through here actually gets locked down, so it makes it a little bit easier when you're mounting this. But first install the bolt, then you can install this other bolt, run your lock washer, put your nut on, pretty simple. And then that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's got a range of motion there for different mounting, which is nice. And then just use the lock washer on here when you get it mounted. And it has the provided nut. So that's what it'll look like with the bracket on. So they give you everything that you need to mount it. Also, I noticed that the way this housing is built, it's actually got a little bit of a hood here, so when it's mounted, help keep some of the rain and water out. Alright guys, so enough with the boring stuff. Let's hook these up to a power source, and we'll see how bright these spotlights get. Now the beam on this should be more focused. They also have a version of a flood, so I don't have those here with me to compare, but this is a spot version and they have a flood version. So we'll see how well these perform, how bright they are, and how well the spot beam is. Alright guys, I just want to show you what I did here. Since I'm not going to be mounting these to my vehicle, my truck, or golf cart or anything right at this moment, I mounted these to a bracket I had laying around in the garage, and I try to simulate maybe the distance if these were to be mounted on a push bar in the front of a truck or something. So next I'm going to wire up my wire harness, and when it gets dark outside we're going to take these out and we'll take a look to see how bright these are and what the beam looks like. Alright guys, well that's it. That's the review of the 4.5 inch 42 watt LED spotlight. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this something you guys buy? Do you think it performs well? If you guys are interested, I can do another video where I compare this LED light to one of the 4.5 inch lights I just reviewed. Put that in the comments below if you guys are interested in that. And if you guys like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys later.